I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me.
That's why I'm feeling like a prisoner in my headspace. Been enslaved to the negatives, feeding through my best days, feeding off a crowd full of dead weight, trying to get ahead for the next play. But every time it's like I'm better off taking nails, I'm the best made over every single dead pay. Feeling outplayed by the way that it tests me. Love hate with the way that it tests me. God, I can't wait till I finally get a blessing. Blaze more, but I don't think it helps to take away the stress from the pain in my core. And they paying me more, but the pain don't feel the same anymore. It ain't fake anymore. And when it came and I finally had change in my shorts, I really started changing. Fuck this fame, you can have it. I was happy to pour, I'm out.
Go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to.
Hey, I'm being pushed to the edge, trying not to end up with a bullet in my head. I'm an introverted person, yo, my thoughts been getting worse and ain't got time to think about it. But my head is steady working, so I talk about it in my music. If I wasn't doing this, I swear I'd probably fucking lose it. I've been broken down so much, I'm like a puzzle with some missing pieces. I done counted up 100 motherfucking reasons to quit. Swear I'm getting colder by the season, fuck, I only wanna be a normal human being. Cannot relate to this game, cannot relate to the burden of going in public and everyone knowing your name. I've been trying to pass on to go.
I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been
That's why I've been
trying
feeling like a prisoner in my headspace. Been enslaved to the negatives, feeding through my best days, feeding off a crowd full of dead weight, trying to get ahead for the next play. But every time it's like I'm better off taking nails, I'm the best made over every single dead pay. Feeling outplayed by the way that the test love hate with the way that it tests me. God, I can't wait till I finally get a blessing. Blaze more, but